If you heat up this white, beautiful sugar, you'll end up with a beautiful caramel. And temperature starts degrading sugar until it comes to. And also, caramelization and Maillard reactions are present during bread making because of the protein and the amino acids. Imagine some egg whites that are beautiful, ready to beat, and you have them at room temperature, the way they should be before beating, and you don't add sugar. Those egg whites, even if you achieve a beautiful volume, they'll come down maybe in 5 minutes or less, right? Because sugar stabilizes the foam. It binds the water of the egg white and binds that foam. And then you have the beautiful meringue that you can use and leave out for a long period of time, and it stabilizes the foam.